Today we're going to be making these pearl earrings, so let's get to it. Please like, follow, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for my upcoming videos. I used a pair of disposable gloves, some oysters with pearls in them. I'll leave a link in the description below where I purchased these. Some flat post earring backings, some flat pad earring backs, epoxy resin. I purchased some of these vacuum sealed oysters that were guaranteed to have pearls in them. So I decided to use a grapefruit spoon to try to pry open the oyster. Me and sharp knives don't go well together. It didn't take much effort to get it open, since I did buy these 2 years ago, so they were a little dry. When I first bought them, they were still quite moist inside. Here's the two that I'll be using for the pair of earrings. I used one of these circular flat post earring backings. I cut it into a square shape using a pair of pliers. This is what it looked like when I had trimmed all 4 corners. I used a nail file to file down the edges and just to round off the corners. I used a pair of rounded jewelry pliers just to fold up the edges of the earring backing so the pearl would sit in flush. And this is what it looked like with the corners folded in. I made sure the pearl fit to see if I had to do any adjustments to the earring backing before I set it in place. I used this cardstock as a base to hold my earring backings while I set the pearls in place. I mixed a very small amount of equal parts of epoxy resin. This is what I'm using to set the pearl in place. Now I've used other types of glues before, but nothing really holds like the epoxy resin. And you only really need a small amount. I used a toothpick to place a small amount of resin on the earring backing. And just using a pair of tweezers to set the pearl in place. I just used some blocks to elevate them off the table a bit, and then waited the full 24 hours for them to cure. And this is what they look like when they were all finished. I'm going to give these as a gift, so I use this tag to pierce the earrings through and use the backing to hold them in place. All done and ready to gift. Comment below if you have any tips or tricks or any ideas for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching!